Yo, Crazy Superman here, Hampson number 7, drop him bomb!
Let's do it!
I'm here with Pac-Man.
Hello guys!
This thing is crazy. It can go 100 kilometers per hour. Yeah. So I'm going to use my DJI Neo right here with my FPV goggle and motion controller. We're going to fly and track this crazy monster truck. Let's start the rumble. I'm going to transform into an avatar. I become the drone. Okay? And we're going to make some crazy awesome shot. Like insane awesome shot. Let's start my motor and lift off. And let me go to the sports mode. And we'll do from your back. Here we go.
Scars. I'll brush you up just like the dust upon my shoulder. I have a hunch of who you are. Believe it or not, I got the strength to blow you over. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. I'm a hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way. Hurricane, I'm bringing thunder and rain. I'm a hurricane if you get in my way. I'm a hurricane, always on top of my game. I'm a hurricane, I'm trying to get in my way.
Oh my god, that was crazy. Crazy awesome. Chasing that little truck that can go 100 kilometers per hour. This is gonna be an awesome video. Just search on YouTube Crazy Superman.
Crazy Superman.
Yeah, crazy with a K.